All right. Um, Today's video is to show you how to make your palm tree look better. So we have this palm tree we've had for 3 years. We've been at this house for 3 years, and it started getting too much weight on it. So my wife had showed me that you could actually get rid of all this excess dead bark and goodness. And we did that, and it looks like this. So I just cut all that stuff off. It looked like that, now it looks like that. We also did the other palm trees. It just looks so much better. So we did these 3 last week. Anyway, so I just want to show you how we do our trimming on this palm trees. First, you're gonna want to cut all the loose branches here, palm trees, or palm branches, because they have a lot of thorns and it hurts a lot when you get poked by those guys. So all you're really gonna need for this is a pair of gloves and your box cutter. This is all we use, so just some gloves and box cutters, and just go to town on this guy. All right, so it doesn't take too long once you get started. It just really peels off nicely. So you just want to watch out for these guys. You see they still have some thorns in them. So anyway, we'll start a little lower. I just start poking at it. And you start seeing everything starts falling off. You can get your box cutter, and you're just gonna slice right through it. And it eventually just rips off. You gotta cut down to it. And then it starts coming off easier. We've never done this, but I don't know if this has ever been done on this guy. Hard at first, but once you get through it and it starts peeling off, it gets a lot easier. There you go. You can see it just comes right off. So you want to cut down till you get this hard part, and then you just go around it. And look at that. It just comes right off. I just start hugging it. There you go. Look at all that. Take off that coat. Ooh. All right. And then just work your way down. Don't slice your finger. Be very careful. And it leaves a mess, but it'll look nice once it's done. And I just put my weight on it. And peel off the next layer. Whew. A little hot today.
You will have to cut some
That's
parts.
fine, that's fine. I'll let you do that. You're good at that. Huh? My butt's in it?
Okay. Shh. Cut more, baby.
This one's heavier.
Yeah. Cut more.
These start just tearing out. Most of them. The older ones.
Too hard, that mine.
They have thorns in it.
You should cut it.
Huh? Okay. And that's where we like to go. We like to go right to here. You'll see it's nice and firm. We'll just do some cleanup around it. But that's where we like to go. And it looks so much better. It'll take longer cleaning up the ground than actually cutting this guy up. That's a good start. So anyway, you could do some tidying up, but next couple days this will look really nice and start actually growing really good. There you go. So whew. Now it's take off that winter coat and start showing off your palm trees. Hope this video helps. Have a good day.
You can probably